Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 fantastic ground cover plants that I absolutely love, especially for this beautiful month of May. If you're looking to add some charm and practicality to your garden, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Hello, everyone. May is such a wonderful time to be out in the garden, isn't it? Everything is bursting with life, and today I want to talk about some amazing ground cover plants that thrive in this season. They're not only easy to grow, but also incredibly beneficial for your garden's health and aesthetics. So let's get started. First up, we have one of my all-time favorites, creeping thyme. This delightful herbaceous perennial is perfect for sunny spots and offers a carpet of fragrant foliage adorned with tiny pink, white, or purple flowers. It's not just pretty, it's also a magnet for pollinators like bees and butterflies, making it a great choice for a wildlife-friendly garden. Creeping thyme is fantastic for filling in gaps between stepping stones or cascading over rock walls. Plus, it's low maintenance and drought tolerant once established, which is ideal for those sunny spots that need a pop of color. Next on our list is the versatile Ajuga, also known as Bugleweed. This fast-spreading ground cover features glossy, bronze-green foliage and spikes of blue, pink, or white flowers. Ajuga is excellent for shaded areas where many plants struggle, making it a solution for adding interest under trees or along garden edges. Ajuga is a real winner when it comes to suppressing weeds and creating a lush carpet of foliage. It's easy to care for and can even tolerate some foot traffic, making it a practical choice for those hard-to-plant areas. Moving on, let's talk about the charming Corsican Mint. This petite herb is perfect for filling in tight spaces with its delightful fragrance and tiny, round leaves. Corsican Mint thrives in moist, shady conditions, making it an excellent choice for edging pathways or planting between stepping stones. The best part about Corsican Mint? It releases a refreshing scent when crushed underfoot, creating a sensory delight as you walk through your garden. It's like having a natural air freshener at your feet. Another top pick for May is the carpet bugle, or Ajuga reptans. This hardy ground cover boasts stunning foliage ranging from deep green to shades of purple, with short spikes of blue flowers in spring. Carpet bugle is a fantastic choice for both sun and shade, making it incredibly versatile for different areas of your garden. Carpet bugle is also fantastic for stabilizing slopes and preventing erosion. It forms a dense mat that keeps weeds at bay while adding texture and color to your landscape. Definitely a must-have for any garden. Last, but certainly not least, we have the colorful and hardy sedum. This succulent ground cover is renowned for its fleshy, drought-tolerant leaves that come in shades of green, red, and even variegated varieties. Sedum is a perfect choice for sunny spots and gravel gardens, where it thrives with minimal care. Sedum not only looks stunning, but also attracts butterflies and other pollinators. Its ability to store water in its leaves makes it an excellent choice for dry conditions. And the best part? You can propagate sedum easily by simply planting cuttings in the soil. Well, there you have it, 5 fantastic ground cover plants that I absolutely love for the month of May. Whether you're looking to add color, control weeds, or create a low-maintenance garden, these plants are sure to bring joy and beauty to your outdoor space. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening, and I'll see you next time.